Hi, welcome to CAD/CAM and more. This is first episode of Solidworks tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple part in Solidworks and then we will edit the features of the created part. Okay, let's begin. First of all, from the standard toolbar, click on the new button. In Solidworks we have three kind of documents: part, assembly and drawing. For the purpose of this tutorial, just select the part document and click OK. After your document has been created, first of all, save the document. You can rename your file from this window, just like any other application. And after you are done, go to the Features toolbar, here in the upper left corner of Solidworks. In the Features tab, click on the Extruded Boss Base. Here. First of all, you should select the plane to start your work. And if you notice, when you select the plane, Solidworks automatically goes to the second toolbar, which is Sketch toolbar. Using corner rectangle tool, draw a rectangle starting from the origin. As you can see, Solidworks generates some tags around the created shape. These tags show the geometrical relation and boundaries, such as being horizontal, vertical, tangent, etc. Okay, to change and set the dimensions of a rectangle, select the Smart Dimensions tool from the Sketch toolbar, and then select each line by double clicking on the line and insert a value for the length of the line. Do the same procedure for the second line, and after that you will see that all four lines has become black, and this shows us that our shape is fully defined and Solidworks does not need any other parameter to define this shape. Now hit Exit Sketch to go back to Extruded Boss Base tool, and in its property manager in the left pane, select blind for the direction, set the direction, and put 30 millimeters as depth value. Now accept the change you have made and done. You have a cube. Now we are going to add a cylindrical shape to our cube to make it more complex. For this purpose, select the front face of your cube and again select the Extruded Boss Base tool from the Features toolbar. Any extruded boss base needs a sketch to be generated, so Solidworks automatically goes to the Sketch toolbar. From the Sketch toolbar, select the Circle tool, and to set your view to the normal position of the selected face, just press spacebar and then select the desired face and then draw a circle. In the left pane, in the Circle Property Manager window, set the circle radius to 35 millimeters. Then confirm your changes. Then use the Smart Dimensions tool to put the circle in the center of the square. Select center of the circle and one side of the square and put the distance to 60 millimeters. Then do the same procedure for the center of the circle and another side of the square, which is perpendicular to the first side. When you are done, hit the Exit Sketch button to go back to the Extruded Boss Base tool, and from its Property Manager window, set the direction and the depth of the tool. Here we are using 25 millimeters as the depth tool, and When you are done, confirm your changes. Next thing we are going to do is to create a circular hole in our part. To do this, select the face of our cylinder, and in the features toolbar select the extruded cut tool, which is somehow opposite the extruded boss base. Now go to the normal view by help of space bar and uh, draw a circle. It doesn't need to be in the center at the first place. From the property manager of the circle, uh, set its radius to 25 millimeters, and when you are done, confirm your changes. Now we have two circles, and as you can see, they are not concentric. To make them concentric, we should add a relation between them. For this purpose, select two circles simultaneously. First, select one circle, hold Control key, and then the second circle. In the left pane, in the Property Manager, make sure that two circles are selected, and then add a concentric relation to them and confirm your changes. This makes them concentric. When you are done, exit the sketch to go back to the extruded cut tool, and it's in its property manager window, set the direction property to through all and confirm your change. Okay, now we have our hole. Next, we want to add some fillets to our part. Select fillet tool from features toolbar, and as you can see, we have its property manager in the left pane. Here we should choose which entities we want to add fillet and the fillet properties. For this fillet, we use this face here and set the radius of the fillet to 5 millimeters. And then confirm our changes. Then we will use the fillet tool for the second time. Choose fillet. Now select this face and these edges here. You can enable full preview to see what would give you this tool, like this. Select all four edges and set the fillet radius to 1.5 millimeters. And when you are done, confirm your changes. Okay, next thing we are going to do is to hollowing out the part by removing the back face and leaving a shell thickness of 2 millimeters. To perform this operation, use the select tool from the standard toolbar and select the back face of your part. And then in the features toolbar, select shell tool. In the property manager of the shell tool, set the thickness to 2 millimeters, and when you are done, confirm your changes. And here is the final shape of our part. Next thing we are going to do is to create a section view of the part. As you can see, we can view our part from different angles and with different views. You can test these views here, but for this tutorial we are going to use the section view. Just click on the section view, and in the property manager of the section view you can set the plane which would you like to have the section view. By moving the handle connected to the plane, this yellow handle, you can move the plane and put it in the desired position. Here, when you are done, confirm, and you can see your section view. And if you click the section view icon again, you can see your complete part again. Now, suppose that you want to change the features of your part. For example, you want to change the thickness of the cubic section of your part. To do this, double click on the bus extrude 1 in the feature manager design tree, and then change the thickness of the extruded bus 1, for example, to 50 millimeters, and then click rebuild to regenerate the model with new dimensions. Now let's modify our fillets. Select fillet 3, right click on it, and then select edit feature. In the feature manager of the fillet 3, select face 1, right click on it, and select delete to delete this face from the items to fillet. Now change the radius from 1.5 to 2 millimeters. To recreate the face fillets we removed, we should add a fillet feature before shell 2 feature. To do this, drag the rollback bar above the shell 2 feature, and then create a new fillet, and in the property manager select that face, set the radius to 1.5 millimeters, and confirm. Remember that if you add the fillet after the shell feature, the fillet area would not be shelled. And when you are done, drag the rollback bar below the shell 2 feature. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.